Hi everybody. This video will demonstrate how to create a classic tween animation. And if you're following along with me in your book, you want to open up the file called fl4_3.fla. That's what I have open on my screen at the moment. After opening the file, you want to go to your File menu, click on Save As, and save it with the file name Tween.fla. That's Tween.fla. So go ahead and save that with the correct file name. And you'll notice we just have one layer here. Buses and ramps is our only layer. So we need to add a new layer by clicking the New Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel. And of course the default name of layer 1 is not very descriptive. So I'm going to double click on that and change the name of the layer to Biker by typing it in and then hitting the Enter key. Then I'm going to click frame number 1 on the Biker layer, go to my library and click on the G Biker symbol in the library, and then drag a copy of the G Biker symbol to the stage and drop it down at the bottom of the stage, as you can see here on in the document. You can also look at figure 29 on page 422 in your book to make sure you've got that positioning correct. And at this point, I'm going to click frame 30 on the Biker layer, which is the last frame on the layer there. I'm going to go to my Insert menu, highlight Timeline, and then click on Keyframe, Insert Timeline Keyframe. And that drops a keyframe in frame number 30 of the Biker layer. Then what you want to do here is just drag the Biker to the position shown in figure 30 of your book. That is, you're just dragging the Biker from left to right on the stage. Now we have to actually insert the tween on the Biker layer. So I'm going to click on frame number 2 of the Biker layer, go to Insert, and click on Classic Tween. Insert Classic Tween. And if you look at your timeline at this point, you'll notice now in the Biker layer, your timeline has a Classic Tween indicated by an arrow from frame number 2 all the way through frame number 29 of the movie, with keyframes in frame number 1 and frame 30. And if I play the movie at this point by hitting the Enter key on my keyboard, and I'll play it again and again, you can see the Biker moves from left to right on the screen in the position indicated by dragging when I was building the classic tween. And this is an example of building a classic tween in Adobe Flash CS6. So at the moment, I'm going to go ahead and save my work and end the video.